Breaking right now, the jury in the R. Kelly trial just left for the day. Those jurors got the case this afternoon and deliberated for nearly 4 hours. But first, they heard closing arguments from Kelly's defense and a rebuttal from the government. Our Tara Molina has been covering this case every step of the way. She is at the federal courthouse. And Tara, the jury got the case just after 1 this afternoon.
Erica, just after 1 o'clock, so they deliberated for hours, more than 3 hours before wrapping up today, and now we know they'll be back first thing tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. The jury deliberating Tuesday after more than 4 weeks, having heard from more than 30 witnesses and seen clips from 3 sex tapes involving the government's pivotal witness, Jane. They have a mountain of witness testimony, evidence, and argument to consider now in the federal child pornography and obstruction of justice case against R. Kelly. But before the case was handed to them, we heard a closing argument from Kelly's defense, Jennifer Bonjean, starting by reminding the jury because of Kelly's celebrity, they're not the blank slate jury Kelly is entitled to, urging the jury to consider their testimony and the charges carefully and asking the jury to take as long as they need, saying Kelly deserves that. Reminding jurors of the government's burden to prove all 13 charges against Kelly individually, while calling 2 of the government's key witnesses, Chuck Freeman and Lisa Van Allen, liars and criminals. Both testified with immunity, no fear of prosecution.
Sure.
Something the defense attorney for Daryl McDavid, Kelly's former business manager, spoke directly to right after the case went to the jury.
The rebuttal didn't include any actual response to the argument that we presented. The rebuttal could not take away the lies told by Chuck Freeman and Lisa Van Allen.
In that rebuttal, the government reinforcing confidence in their witnesses and their testimony, including Freeman and Van Allen. Prosecutors said Kelly is guilty of not only having sex with underage girls, but recording sex with underage girls, saying what Kelly wanted was to have sex with young girls. Again, deliberations continuing first thing Wednesday morning. We'll continue to bring you the very latest here on CBS 2. Reporting in the federal courthouse, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.